everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is my June Glossybox. I've been waiting for this for quite a while now. It's actually the 19th today and it got delivered today. My Glossybox was really late coming this month. In fact, at one point I was a bit like, is this actually gonna come? Because the money had gone out of my bank and I was a bit like, is this coming? But it did, and it's here, and I haven't actually opened this one because I just called round at my mum's on the way home from food shopping today and picked it up. I didn't actually go in and see her. Usually it comes on a weekday, which is why I go around anyway, so, you know, I'm there because she is my childcare when I go to work. So I'm usually there and I get to open it with her, but today I just pulled up on her street and she passed it me and then off I drove because I'd got stuff in the car that needed to go in the fridge and freezer and stuff. So this month is the standard plain pink Glossybox, and we're going to have a look together. So this is how it comes. It's got the little card in the top, it's got the little bow. I'll go in order of the card, but let's just have a little sneak peek of what's in the box to begin with. Let's try and open these really carefully, and do you know what? There's no point, is there? Ooh! There's a cereal bar in there this month. So, this is what the box looks like. It looks like a good box from just glancing in. So we've got the Glossy Summer Skin Sorted, the skincare saviour you need to try. Fresh and feminine, this season's must-have scents. Vitamin C, why your regime needs this trending ingredient. 5 beauty products that will kickstart your summer and win a whole summer wardrobe with I Saw It First. So this month they've got some like golden tickets for I Saw It First. You could get like a voucher for like £20 or something like that, I don't know. Quite clearly mine doesn't look like it's got one, which I'm not super bothered about. I don't fit in anything anyway at the moment, so clothes shopping is a little bit out of the question for me. But the sneak peek on the card, I'm just going to go through it exactly as it is on the card. And we will see from there. So it says, hey Glossies, summer requires beauty products that can effortlessly take you from pool to party. So we've made sure our June Dreaming of Paradise Glossybox features just that. Inside this month's box, you'll discover all that you could need to look and feel gorgeous, whatever the sunny days have you doing. And that's from Emily, their beauty editor. So the first product on the card is this one, and this is by the Beautycrop, and it is their Oui Cherie pH changing hydrating lip oil. I have to say, I got lime crime vibes from this when I picked it up. I'd seen this on Instagram. I'd seen somebody had got this on Instagram. I was trying not to look at spoilers or anything. Does anybody else get proper lime crime like vibes from this? I'm just getting lime crime vibes, I don't know, maybe. So it just looks like a bit of a clear oil. I'm going to regret putting it on my hand, but it goes on sort of clear and then it looks like it changes colour. Oh yeah, it's gone quite pinky. I've got a dark lip on today. I'm not so sure that it's 100% my colour, but I thought I'm filming, I need to put a lipstick on because my lipstick had wore off, so that's what we went with. This looks really nice. It smells nice. Ooh, and I really like the idea of a lip oil. I've had a lip oil before and I really like them. The lid will not go back on. Really like them, so I'm very excited to get stuck into this. It says Oui Cherie lip oil, Sacrebleu. I'm really sorry if I butchered that. For gorgeously kissable lips, look no further. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment will gloriously enhance your palate's natural colour while making your lips super smooth. Enriched with a lip-loving cherry oil blend, your lips are sure to be kept unbelievably soft and nourished day to night. The recommended retail price for this is £13 and you can get it online at beautycrop.co.uk. I will link all of the products in the description, as I always do. I really like that. I'm happy with that for the first product, and £13, we've already got the value of the money back that I've paid for the box. So next up we have a Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Face Scrub Fix. It says exfoliating vitamin C scrub to polish and illuminate the skin's surface. I've got quite a few face washes and a couple of scrubs that I need to like work through, but I will give this one a go over the summer. I need to double check the ingredients in it just to make sure that I can use it while I'm pregnant, which I'm probably safe to do so. It doesn't look like it's got anything. It's mainly some of the acids and stuff I can't use, but I can never remember what they are off the top of my head, so I'll just Google them as I get to them. So this is the Vitamin C Scrub Fix. Energizing and illuminating, this exfoliating scrub is infused with vitamin C, coffee seed extract and coconut oil to effortlessly cleanse, nourish and renew your skin. These key ingredients also aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and softening your complexion. So this retails at £12.95 from nipandfab.com. Do you know what? I always get the illusion that stuff that's got vitamin C in is going to smell like orange. I think it's one of those, like, I don't expect it to all be orange, but I just get that, like, feeling that it should. Has this got a seal on it? I'm trying to smell it and it's got a seal on it. I'm going to open it because I can. I don't think it smells like orange, but it smells very refreshing, very nice, and I can't wait to give it a go. I will report back what all of these products are like. So, moving on, I do like a good face scrub, I have to say. I do like a good face scrub. So moving on, we have the Mitchel Peach English Growers. Is that what it says? English Growers English Leaf Body Oil. This is what it looks like. I've had some Mitchel Peach products before. I've got a perfume and a bath oil that I've had before from this brand. So this just says, blended with almond oil and vitamin E, this body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Apply a small quantity to skin and massage gently. So, English Leaf Body Oil. Containing almond oil and vitamin E, this nourishing body oil leaves skin feeling soft and scented. Reminiscent of fresh cut meadow grass, this oil is fragranced with English leaf, a blend of soft citruses, coriander leaves, basil, mint and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. This retails at £23 and you can buy it on mitchelandpeach.com. I will link it in the description. It says, pair with English Leaf Eau de Toilette for a scent that lasts. I don't think that sounds like the scent that I would have picked personally. It definitely smells like it says. It definitely smells like fresh cut grass, a very fresh... It smells like what I expect like a fresh cut summer garden candle to smell like. It does smell nice. It's not the scent I would have picked had I have been in a shop picking a scent myself. I can't remember the exact scents I've had from this brand before, but they were definitely more on the floral side, like actual flower scents. It does smell nice enough. I will use it. If I was purchasing this myself, I would pick a different scent, but it's not horrible. It's just not completely my vibe. I'm also not going to put some on because although it says it's not greasy, I don't want to be covering myself in it. And I have got a bit of fake tan on and I don't want to start... I have got a little bit of fake tan on and I don't want to start using an oil that might start pulling bits of it off or whatever, as I've never used that oil before. We then have a complete classic and one that is going to serve me really, really well. So I am pregnant. I am going into hospital in October to have a baby, providing my baby decides to come on time. My little boy that I've already got was 2 weeks late, so who knows, we could have a baby September, could have a baby October, could have a baby November, you know, who knows. But this is the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. So I think a lot of people will recognise this, the Garnier Micellar water. It's a very, very classic staple now. It's been out a few years. A lot of people use it. So it says, Micellar cleansing water, an effective yet gentle way of removing makeup and cleansing skin in one easy step. The cleanser lifts makeup and dirt from the skin and leaves it free of impurities and residue, revealing your skin's natural glow. Perfect for even the most sensitive of skin, this product has a soothing and fragrance-free formula that suits all skin types. And this is £1.99 for this size. You can get it on Garnier.co.uk. You can also get this in most like supermarkets and things. But yeah, this is 125ml and it says handy format, so it's quite travel size and compact. Obviously I'm going to be in hospital at least, I I guess 24 hours. I was in for about 4 or 5 days when I had my little boy, but at least 24 hours. And what I really like about this one, I know this is going to sound a little bit, but if I'm in bed and I can't get up for whatever reason, whether that be that I've not long since given birth, or if I can't be bothered to go and wash my face, if the baby needs a little bit more attention and they've just gone down, I can literally put this onto a little cotton ball or a reusable face wipe or whatever, and just cleanse my face with it and feel like a little bit fresher. Obviously I'll make the effort to go for a shower and wash my face and brush my teeth and all those kinds of things, but this will be really handy just to kind of freshen up with when I'm in the hospital, and be really good for travelling as well, although current climate we're not really travelling anywhere, and being pregnant I'm being even more careful. But I know that I like that. I know that's a classic staple and one that I'm definitely going to get the use out of. And last but not least, I was so excited when I saw this on the card. I have used one product from Christopohe Robin before and I absolutely loved it. So this is what this product looks like. It is the Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. So this is a hair scrub, like a scalp scrub. Oh, it smells like, do you know when you get like a man's shower gel that's like sea salt and eucalyptus or something like that? I don't know, but it smells like a sexy man. That's what it smells like. It smells nice. So it says, detox your hair with this cleansing, purifying and soothing shampoo treatment. It can also be used as a post-colour treatment to soothe tingling and itching sensations. Within 24 hours of using, the scalp is restored to optimal hydration levels and hair will be left shiny and clean. The Deluxe Mini is worth £6.40 and the full size at 250ml is worth £40. So it's reasonably expensive as a hair care brand goes if you're looking for budget high street, which is where I normally shop. But having used a product from the here before, I used a it was a hair mask. It was like English pear or something, like prickly pear or something like that, hair mask, and lovely. And I just never got around to buying anything else from the brand, so it's kickstarted my brain that I like this brand again. So yeah, you can get this on christopoherobin.co.uk. It says to use it once or twice a week for best results, and yeah, so apply on wet hair, massage your scalp, lather and then rinse. Use a nourishing treatment on the lengths and ends if needed. So you would basically use this and then you could use conditioner on your lengths and ends if you feel you need that for your hair. Can't wait to try this. I just need to smell it again. My hair is currently in a much better state. So when you're pregnant, your hair goes through a phase where it stops falling out, or very little of it falls out, and you get this nice, I would say thick hair, but I've still only got about 4 strands of hair for the rest of your pregnancy. And then after you give birth you shed a lot of hair, and I shed a lot of hair with my little boy, so I'm expecting to shed a lot of hair again this time. My hair's currently in decent condition. I have got a hair dye to use that I haven't managed to get around to using yet. You will have seen in a recent haul that I did. But I am going to do a little video of me dyeing my hair, dyeing my eyebrows, so you can give myself a little pamper. But yeah, I will definitely give this a go, and it's especially good that you can use it on post-colour treated hair, because that's what my hair will be very soon. And last but not least in my box, I have got a kind like cereal bar. So these are, I've had these before, they are really nice. They're slightly more expensive on the side of cereal bars in the supermarket, so don't buy them all the time. And where I work is actually a nut-free environment. We're not allowed to take nut products in, just because there is somebody in the workplace who's got a nut allergy, which I completely respect 100%, and I do everything I can not to take nuts in. There's not very many things I do eat that are, like, I wouldn't eat peanut butter sandwiches for instance, and I don't take like Snickers bars or anything for my lunch, but these are obviously basically just nuts. They say 60% nuts, so obviously this is something that I only really eat at home, but I do really like these and I have had these before. So this is the dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. I think this is one of their newer ones, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'm very excited to try this. And actually in the outer box where you get all the leaflets with Glossybox, I did get a offer code for like 25% off on the Kind website, and you can order like big boxes of them, so I might go on and order some of these, especially now I'm going on maternity leave in a few months and I'm going to be off for this, especially because I'm going to be going off on maternity leave and I'm going to be off for summer and things like that. So they'll be really nice to have in the cupboard, and actually nuts are really good for you and they're quite filling, so if I'm just trying to grab a snack between feeding a new baby and running around after a toddler, these will be exceptional. So that is everything I got in the box. So we got a little extra treat this month. So the box this month is worth £57.34 each month. That's excluding the Kind bar, because I don't know how much they retail for on their own. They are about, I honestly do not know how much they retail for on their own, but I think £57, almost, so we're looking at nearly £60. I paid £11.75 for my box because I'm on a 12-month subscription, so I signed up for 12 months. I have temporarily cancelled my contract for my subscription box, however it does not stop until February, just because I am tied in for that 12 months, but I thought if I cancel it now I don't forget to cancel it in February, and I will review my situation with the box when I get to February. I can always start it back up again if I want to. I do think I will start it going again. I just didn't want to be locked in and then get on my maternity leave and forget to opt out of it and forget to cancel it. I am really enjoying it. I do really like this month's box. I had seen a couple of people post it on Instagram, and although I was trying not to look for spoilers, I felt like it looked a little bit disappointing. I didn't think it looked as good as some of the boxes, but actually now I've got it in my hands and I've seen what's in it, I am very, very pleased. I think they're very universal, very easy products to use. I said this last month, I think it was. I feel like this box could be given to almost anybody and they would be able to use all 5 products in there. They would be able to make use of those products, enjoy those products, and it would give them something different to try. So I really, really like that about this box. It's very universal, very easy. So you also get a sneak peek for July on the back of the card. So it says, July sneak peek. If you love discovering the latest hair, skin and makeup finds, you're sure to love our July Beauty Treasures edit. Inside the treasure trove of beauty gems, you'll discover it's spelled K-N-D-R, I think it's Kinder, the Kinder's Kind Bronzer. Worth £14, the gorgeous bronzing powder is exactly what you're searching for to create this perfect sun-kissed glow. And it looks just like this. So we're getting a bronzer next month. That's the only product out of the 5 that we know. I don't particularly need a bronzer in my collection. I've got a couple and I'm trying to use through them. Bronzer's not my favourite makeup product in the world, but I do enjoy using them because I find it really difficult to find one that suits me. I am quite pale. As I say, I've got a little bit of fake tan on my arms. It's a little bit horrendous, so don't look too closely. But I do like a bit of bronzer for the summer. It makes me look a little bit healthier, and I am honestly about as pale as this white cabinet if I take my makeup off and don't put any effort into my life. So I think pregnancy is draining a lot of the colour out of me and a lot of the vitamins and minerals and things that I need. I am looking after myself and having a healthy enough diet for it, but I still think somewhere along the line it's taking its toll on me. But without further ado, that is everything. I hope you have enjoyed, and I shall catch up with you all in my next video. Bye!